Namaste. Myself Dr. Aarsh Shah, MD Medicine, Consultant Physician, Aarsh Hospital, Vadodara, Baroda. So today we will discuss few benefits and steps how to perform yoga. In this fast world of today's generation, where there is a lot of stress and lot of anxiety and a lot of work burden as well as personal issues, yoga becomes very beneficial in today's world, where it helps in releasing stress, in maintaining cardiovascular and pulmonary health, and a lot of physical stamina and strength. Because long-term stress and anxiety results in chronic illnesses like hypertension, obesity, diabetes, dyslipidemia, wherein cholesterol increases. So there comes the life-changing yoga. When it is performed on daily basis, it provides so many benefits. At least sparing 10 to 15 minutes a day for yoga proves a lot of benefit to an individual who performs it on a daily basis. So today we will discuss few yoga steps and their benefits. We will start with the most common which you have heard, pranayam. Pranayam basically means breath control. So the steps to do pranayam is sit comfortably in Sukhasana or Padmasana with your spine tall and shoulder relaxed. Rest your hands on the knees in Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra means index finger and thumb should be touching. Close your eyes and take a few natural breaths so that you settle down. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left for the count of 4. Close both nostrils now. Now hold the breath again for the count of 4. Release the right nostril which you were closing before and exhale slowly till the count of 8. Repeat on the other side. Now practice this for 10 to 15 minutes, maintaining rhythmic, controlled breathing throughout. So the benefits include pranayam regulates the autonomic nervous system, lowers blood pressure, improves oxygen delivery to the heart, and helps stabilize blood sugar through stress reduction, as I discussed before. Blood pressure control, blood sugar control, heart rate regulation, lung strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being are its major benefits. Next આસનની આપણે વાત કરીશું વજ્રાસન, જેને કહે છે થંડરબોલ્ટ પોઝ. તો ના આપણે થોડા સ્ટેપ્સ હશે, we will discuss the steps. Kneel on the mat, bringing your knees and feet together. Sit back on your heels so the buttocks rest on the heels and the thighs on the calves. Place your hands on your thighs, palms facing downwards. Keep your spine erect, chest open and shoulder relaxed. Gaze forward. Breathe deeply and naturally in this position, maintaining stillness. This is the only yoga pose that can be performed immediately after eating. Hold for 5 to 10 minutes, gradually increasing duration with practice. So now we will discuss few benefits of this pose. The benefits includes digestion enhancement, pancreas stimulation, which releases the digestive enzymes and is beneficial in digestion of food that we eat. So now we will discuss the third and the final pose, which is known as Virabhadrasana. It is also known as warrior pose. So now we will discuss few steps how to perform this yoga asana. Stand in Tadasana. Step your left foot back about 3 to 4 feet, turning it out at 45 degrees. Keep the right foot pointing straight forward. Align the heel of the right foot with the arch of the left. Inhale and raise both arms overhead, palms facing each other or joint. Exhale and bend right knee to 90 degrees, keeping the knee directly above the ankle. Keep the left leg straight and strong, pressing the outer edge of the left foot into the mat. Look up towards your thumb. Chest lifted, spine long. Square the hips forward as much as possible. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Inhale and straighten the knee to come out. Repeat on the other side. So these were the steps. Now we will discuss a few benefits of Virabhadrasana. Virabhadrasana builds full body strength, improves cardiovascular endurance and stimulates blood circulation. Its dynamic standing posture is especially benefit for heart health, cardiovascular stamina, diabetes management, leg and core strength, circulation boost as discussed before, balance and focus, and chest and lung opening. Thank you.